Hello friends, welcome back to Laravel tutorial. We are discussing about some quick tricks on Laravel array, right? So in this video, we are going to discuss about the array mapping. So mapping is a method which iterates through the array and passes each value and key to the given callback. So let's use that with a proper example, right? Suppose we have an array like this. Suppose my array is suppose student, okay, and we have a array and just like here name equal to suppose John, email equal to john@email.com. Okay, so inside my array we have two elements. Okay, now I want to get all the things, or suppose if I want to see all the things using the array map, how can I do this? Okay, so simply to use any Laravel function we need to use this illuminate support array, and after that we can use any array function. So simply just write array map, okay, and I will just traverse my student array. So simply pass the student array, and now we can set any callback function. So simply function, and here you can write your value or you can see your value. Suppose I just here you can see the name is string, email is string type data. So simply you can declare here string and dollar value. Okay, so we can access inside this array using the value. Okay, so here simply write return dollar value. Okay, and now just write here mapped. Okay, so this is the mapped array. So now I just going to print that array. So simply write print are mapped. Okay, now if you check this, you are getting the name John, email john@email.com. So simply here write echo and pre. So actually this is the HTML tag so that you can clearly see your array. Okay, now you are getting name, email, John email. So actually we have an email and we just doing all the things, and after that print, and we are getting the same thing. So what is the purpose of that things? The purpose of that things, if I want to modify, suppose in your database you have data like this. Now the requirement is if you want to print the format, if you want to change the format, right? Suppose I want to get all the value should be the first letter will be the capital letter. Okay, so you can use that. You see, first we know that this is the common array function for PHP. So you see first, and now just to go and refresh this. So you are getting in the capital. Okay, so here you can see the J is small letter. Now you can see the output is J is capital, means all the value will traverse here. Okay, so this is the actual purpose of this array map. I want to traverse the full array with this array map function, and we can change whatever I want, right? So hope you can understand this video, and if this video helps you, please like this and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. We'll come with more video like this. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.